Today I take you again back to school because you loved it so much the first time. Those kids are 7 to 10. Correct me if I'm wrong. They're going through a process, cleaning in the morning the classroom and praying, and then doing their own stuff that they've been taught. It's a different process than Europe and America and Australia and so on, but it's good. It's very good. All right, let's follow them and see what they do all day long. Well, certainly some kids have some stuff to learn in life, like cleaning their own classroom. Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi, Pak.
Today we are with Bapak Made,
Yes.
which is the principal of the school, and he's telling me that the kids here are from 6 to 13-year-old. So there you go, you got the exact answer.
Bukunya cuma ujangnya mana sih? Bukunya malah di tempat masing-masing.
Kara sedana ngawit. Terima terang pakai taruh siura di kio. Indonesia, tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibuku. Merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya. Indonesia, Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya,
You guys remember Galuh?
Pelajaran apa? Sebagai pemanasan dulu, mari kita bernyanyi dulu ya. Membuka tes
Adani
kedinane bukenyampan.
kasangep kadase jestu asade.
Nah, desta. Jadi tandadi megawe.
Galuh.
Sepi bekarya. Tandadi bekerja.
So I remind you, one of the purpose of the project is to get the kids in the hills that cannot access the school. There's still a few out there. There's 3 villages, so there's quite a bit.
Ya, silakan.
I hope you enjoy everything until now. You can help by reading the comment below, and then we move forward from that.
6, 7, cukup, tunjukkan 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, cukup, jalankan 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, cukup, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, cukup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, cukup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
It's really hard not to laugh. It's I think this is the first time I see that in my life. So you've seen what they're up to, what they're doing, the process from morning until the classroom, and you can help by just like, share or subscribe to this channel and these videos. Just crack me up. Yeah, so you can do good things for this project. I will put my email down there, mamulahood@gmail.com, and you can send me an email. I will answer you and send you documents about how you can help this project, this amazing project. Get the kids from the hills that cannot access the school and get them into school. There will be a clean water project as well, drinking, and agroforestry to keep the jungle, hills, all the way from east to west, north to south of the valley. Protect the jungle. What else should I say? It's been good. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog 16. Tomorrow there's something for you, so please follow. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Terima kasih to Bapak Made. And you take care. Love you. Have a great day. Thank you.
Finish tadi balik live untuk upload finish.
I'd like to talk about one more thing before the end of this vlog is one of my principles in life is starting from the moment where if I have a perfectly healthy body and 2 working hands and 2 working legs and 2 perfectly working eyes and ears and so on, you have no right to give up. You have no right to give up to help. You have no right to give up to life or ideas you believe in or even in yourself, and push, push and push. This is something I very strongly feel about. I believe that you should too. The only right you have is to push for more. Start with little steps. This is what this project is all about. Just push, be the first in the world to realize something incredible, but with your help. That's it. That was enough for today. You're more than welcome to comment below. You take care.
Yang pecalangi tadi, nah itu ditugaskan oleh desa Pekraman untuk mengawasi jalannya penyepian di tingkat desa adat. Oke, yang pecalangi dari pesu, yang kliang-kliang dari pesu, anak-anak ditugaskan tidak?